I'm gonna give you guys a tour. That's Menard. Menard! Woo!
Hi, welcome to Yosemite.
Thank you.
Bruno, look at the camera. Look at the camera, Bruno. You're gonna go hike later, right? Hmm? Yeah! Tunnel view. Oh, wow! Yeah! Yosemite, guys! Look at the cars. Like so small. And the El Capitan is like so huge. We are finally here, and I made some turkey sandwich. Yeah. Shuttle bus. Bruno.
Alrighty guys, doors are closing.
We are going to visitor center. That's our first stop. You're gonna bring your dogs, like you can bring your dogs here and go to lower Yosemite Falls. Yeah. You can bring your dog here to wow, a couple 100 years old. Wow. So this is it, but there's no water.
A little bit. Very little.
Oh yeah. Go drink water, Bruno. We're done with lower Yosemite Falls. Where are we going next, Mo? Heading next?
Cook's Meadow.
Let's check it out. How'd you know that this is the right place? I don't know. Cause there's no sign. It's supposed to have a sign like says Cook Meadows Trail. You know, like the lower Yosemite Falls, they have a sign. This one looks like a residential place or something. I don't know. I'm not sure.
I mean, we could probably just
So, naligaw kami. Punta kami sa swinging bridge. We're still trying to find Cook's Meadow, but we found bus stop 6. So bus stop 6, it's right there, right there. So maybe the Cook's Meadow is gonna be this way.
Yeah.
So we finally found Cook's Meadow, but there's not a lot of people here.
This is Cook's Meadow. We got to see Half Dome,
Half Dome, still right here.
Royal Arches,
Royal Arches.
Glacier Point.
Alright guys, naka-check-in na kami and everything. So, yan, nandito si Menard and si Bruno. Ito na, yung food niya. Tulugan ni Bruno. Naka-set up na yung pang-charge. And ito yung laman ng fridge namin. Yan, laman ng fridge namin.
Full na full.
Good night, guys. Ano yun mo?
Day 2. Inis na inis na ako na kay Char. Alam ko ni Bruno, inis na inis na kay Char.
Saan tayo mo?
Bridal Veil.
Good morning, guys. Day 2. We're in Bridal Veil to see the waterfalls. And dogs are allowed here. Bruno! And also animals. Just kidding.
Thank crows. Raven.
Ikaw yun. Ikaw yung animal.
Pala. Hindi mo nakuha yung joke niya.
Here's the falls. Let's go check it out. It's better if you don't come here during the summertime. Oh, you can go all the way over there. Yeah, but it's Al Capitan. Watch Free Solo. It's good documentary. Alright, so now we're going to Mirror Lake. We're in Mirror Lake. So it's a 1.2 mile hike. And then if you're gonna go travel with your dog, make sure that bring your leash all the time. What else mo?
Plastic bags.
Plastic bags and water. And then don't leave your dog inside the car alone. This is it, guys. It says Mirror Lake, but there's no water. The lake is over there. Oh, over there? Okay.
But I feel alive with you. Take it easy on my heart, otherwise I fall apart. Alive with you. Take it easy on my heart, otherwise I fall apart. Alive,
So we're going back to the RV and have a quick nap. This is Yosemite, guys. Bernard and then Bruno. You can also bring your dog here. And then look at the view. Wow, so beautiful. We are heading now to Glacier Point to watch the sunset. See you later. Oh, nice. Ganda, diba? It's half dome, guys. Oh my god, tinan niyo to. Oh, parang kung nasa roller coaster. Alright, guys. So we're here at Glacier Point and we're gonna go find parking because it's 4:28 p.m. and we haven't eaten yet, so we're gonna go eat lunch. It's an hour away from the Yosemite Village, so let's go. There's a lot of cars and tourists.
but I feel alive with you. Take it easy on my heart, otherwise I fall apart. Alive with you. Take it easy on my heart, otherwise I fall apart. Alive, I feel alive with you.
Going home now. Good morning, guys. It's 5 a.m. in the morning and we're on our way back to LA, so it's 6 hours drive. So it's been really fun, Yosemite, and yeah, if you guys like my videos and if you guys want to see more, don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel. Thank you so much. Bye.